So what is the obstacles to learning something? Because as everyone knows that the learning is quite important thing. As you know that everyone knows that. Everyone admit the same point. The learning is quite important. If you are interested or not, the life is always make you to learn something. It is always teaching you if you are interested in to understand your life or not. Whatever in your classroom and in your business places, in your workplaces, everywhere you need to learn. As you know that only the best way to grow yourself inside of you and outside of you, that you can understand. So what is the obstacle that we are going to discuss today? The only one obstacle, whenever you are just seeing this world, or whenever you are just being in the intention of learning, what kind of obstacles you are facing now? The simple thing, the mental obstacle we can say, because we were in the absence of mind, we were somewhere else. Because when we are, somebody are teaching us, or else when the life is teaching us by their situation, by the scenes of life, the life is teaching us. So we are in somewhere else. Because we have a great fear that we got imprinted, whether it's quite from our prenatal care, or it's quite from our gene from our ancient generation, or else it's quite the bad experience from our past. Whatever the things we got imprinted, that is a fear. The fear got imprinted into us, into our mind. That's what the mind always insists us. Whenever you are going for a new solution, whenever you are going for the new situation, mind is always saying that, mind is always creating some emotion, that the fear, the panic, or the negative emotion, which is not letting you to learn something. That is a matter. Because the mind have the imprint of fear. That's what we can't face a reality. We can't face a real thing. We can't see the real thing. We can't see the real people. That's what, because of our mind have the guilt conscious. The mind have the imprint of the fear. So how to overcome it? If the mind think like that, if the mind believe in the things are like that, at the same time, your life need the same thing in a sense, which have a great fear of my mind. So I need something. I need that thing. But my mind is not letting me to go for that thing. To get more focus, to get more into that, the mind is not letting me to do that. So what is to do? We need to neglect. So how to do that? We no need to neglect anything, or else we no need to go for oppose our mind, no need to do anything. The mind believes like that in the sense, let it believe. At the same time, we can prove the mind, we can make the mind to not have any fear in only one way. That is, keep ourselves where my mind feels fear. Keep there. If the life insists you in the sense, keep there over there. Keep your mind over there. Keep your present, keep your physical and everything at the present, to learn something else there, by not responding anything from the mind to the mind. Keep over there. Once your mind got a clear idea, that once your mind understood there is nothing over here to get panic, once your mind got understood, then it will let you to go for learning. Because the learning, whatever the things, my mind feels quite annoying with it, annoying with the learning, annoying to be in a present, annoying with the words, annoying with the real people, the real words. Somebody came to advise me in the sense, I am just running out of the place. So why? Because my mind feels these are all the things is not giving me any benefit. So to prove it is giving you the benefit, to prove that the learning is giving you the benefit, just to keep yourself over there without responding your mind. Once your mind came to know, to understand that yes, the learning is really giving me a benefit. Once it came to understand from the book, from these are all the videos, from the documentaries, from the case studies of everything. Once it's got to understand that yes, the words of someone, the books of someone, it's really giving the inspiration, it's really giving the lot of benefits. Once my mind came to understand in the sense, then it will freely let you go for a more learning. So this is how to break the obstacles on the learning. That is what. So these are all the things we have discussed in our The Monk Who Do Not Break book. So if you are really interested in the sense, you can go for it, which is available Amazon internationally. So thank you, your Rajkumar Pandyan.